guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing dress haul. So I've recently accumulated quite a few different style dresses and I thought it would be nice to share with you all. So some are a lot more casual, some are more dressy, so there's a bit of a variety, but I thought you guys would enjoy, so thought I'd share. I've already taken them all out their packaging and this is the first item. So it's this beautiful sequin kind of snake print bandeau dress. Now I did, in a previous video, I did showcase this dress in a tiger print fabric, but it's the same cut and I absolutely loved it, but I did feel a bit like a cave woman. So I thought maybe this one would be a bit more subtle. There's really nothing subtle about it, is there? But you know what I mean. Hopefully this one won't look like a costume, it'll look more just like a crazy party outfit, which is what I want. So this is from Pretty Little Thing's shape range and I got it in a size 8. Which normally fits me very well, so I'm excited to see what it looks on. But this one's in the sale at the moment for only £9, so if you like it, bag it now. I'll make sure I link everything down below if you'd like to check anything out. But I just think it's something really funky like this. It's a really nice quality, you know, party dress, I think. And for only £9, it's a proper bargain. And it is lined, so if you're worried about the sequins, on your body will be absolutely fine. On your inner arms, you've got to be careful with sequin dresses, but they don't feel too sharp. But I feel like you can never know if the sequins are going to be like kind to your skin unless you wear it for an evening. But no, I really like this one, and it does have that sort of sticky stuff at the top of the bandeau, so should stay up, fingers crossed. But I'll go throw this one on. So this is how it fits, and I actually really like the colours in it. It's kind of very neutral colours, but on my like skin colour and hair colour, I think it just kind of works. And then I love the sparkle on top, but I just love that it's, you know, snake skin print, but I think it's subtle. Like, I know it's covered in sequins, but it's kind of an understated dress, but it fits beautifully. Like the top part here, this is quite tight, but it almost feels nice tight, like I feel very secure in it that it's not going to undo, and I just think it fits really nice. It has got a zip that goes all the way down, so it's easy to get on, which is really nice. But no, I think it fits really nice. I really like this one, and I love the strapless design. I just think it's a really fun dress. Move the tag out of the way. No, I really like this, and it's like tight at the bottom and tight at the top, so I kind of feel like I could wear this all night, but I'm not going to be like pulling it up the whole time or pulling it down. It just kind of fits. So no, I really love this one. I love the print, and it's only £9. Like, I think this is wearable. Like, I think I can rock this. Like, I really like the colours in it. I think they work on me, but let me know what you think. But it's something a bit fun, isn't it? It's a bit unusual being snakeskin underneath. No, I like this one, but this is how it fits. So then the next dress I got, I actually loved it so much. I got it in 2 different colours. So anyone who knows me knows that I love black and red, so I thought I'd try it in both. Now I do know the fit of this dress is going to be beautiful because I actually have the same dress in another colour already. It's kind of in like a lovely greeny kind of blue colour. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's this kind of crisscross ruched style that might look really weird off of a body. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this doesn't look exactly that inviting, but on a body, like, whew, it just makes your curves look amazing, and it really brings in your waist. It's just stitched so right. Like, I really love it, and I love the like crisscross and the V. Like, it really draws attention to the right areas, I would say. And I thought in black would be really nice because you can't go wrong with a little black dress, and in this cut I think it's just going to look amazing. But I am aware that on camera it kind of blends into one, so that's why I thought, you know what, I'll pick up the red one as well so you can actually see the fit of it. But I really rate these dresses. They're so affordable but so cute. Like, they make, if I ever am having one of those days where, you know, nothing looks right, I'm not feeling anything I put on, and I need to like dress up, I put on, you know, this fit of a dress and I do feel really nice, and I just know it looks nice. So these are my go-to shape dresses. I love them. But I thought I'd try it in these colours. They're kind of, one's a bit more bright than I've normally gone for, and one's, you know, just a very staple dress. So these are from Prettylittlething's shape range as well, and I got them both in a size 8 if you want to use me as a size guide, but I'll try on one and then the other. This is just my favourite fitting dress ever. I seriously think I'm going to end up with this dress in every single colour Prettylittlething offers, because I just feel amazing in it. Like, it just fits, and every time I put it on I feel nice. Like, I never have that feeling of, you know, oh, not sure if I like this one. I just think it just hugs me perfectly, and the ruching, it just makes my waist look tiny. I just love it. All I would say is, because it's such a slinky fabric, you do need a good strapless bra under it, but once you have that, I think it just looks amazing. And I love the long sleeves. I think they're so, you know, classy with it. And because it's so slinky, it is an extremely, you know, booty dress. I don't know how else to put it, but it does just fit very nice. And I love the little, you know, not a slit, but kind of uneven hem here. I think it just adds to the dress because it kind of matches the sweetheart neckline. So no, I really like this one. So I'll go throw on the black one, but it's gonna fit as nice as this. This is the black one, and again, it just hugs so nice. I just love this sort of fabric. It's just so soft. Only thing I would say with the black one, because it's a deeper colour, I feel like it could potentially go a little bit sheer. You can see where I'm pulling it here. So you don't notice it as much on the brighter or more pale colours, but I do just notice it on the black one, that once, you know, my body's in it, it's slightly less dark in certain places, but it still fits beautifully. And I think it's rockable. Like, I don't think it shows that badly. Like, we're not talking completely see-through on the important areas, but yeah, just be wary of that. But it is a killer black dress. Like, I love the neckline. I love how it just sits off the shoulder. And I've got to say, because they're elasticated, I don't feel like they're going to fall down. They seem to just stay there quite nicely, which is really nice. I just love the long sleeves. I just really like it. It's kind of it's like a classy little black dress, but still, you know, very, you know, sexy in a way, but in a nice way. Like, it just flatters the curves, I would say. So no, I am a huge fan of these dresses, like a huge fan. Literally get them. I love them. The next piece I got is more of a kind of casual maxi dress, I would call it, but I fell in love with the fabric and the neckline of this dress. So I really like that sort of, you know, V-neck crossover style, and then it's literally made up of loads of different animal prints. And, you know, with my hair, it's quite wild. I just love wearing, you know, browns and animal prints. So I just thought I have to try this dress. And, oh, that's good of me. It's already come off the hanger. But it has got like a high slit in it. So you really, I'm not doing it justice off of her body, but I thought I would showcase it to you guys. So it does have a zip at the back, which is handy, and a ruched kind of middle, which I find it really flattering, and I'm never then conscious. So I really like that sort of style. And it's not, I think it might be floor length at the back, but it's not like super long everywhere. So let's see what it looks like on. But it does have adjustable straps, which is good, so you can make it higher or lower depending on your physique. So no, I just fell in love with the fabric of this one. It's almost like in a satiny kind of fabric, and I just loved all the different prints on it. I think it's so funky. Like, I love it. I'm going to see what it looks like on, but I just think it's so cool. So I'll go throw it on. So this is how this one fits, and I love it. It just fits amazing. Like, it's not stretchy, but as soon as I did that zip up at the back, I could feel it hug every curve, and I just love it. Like, it really hugs me tight to my waist. I love the kind of ruching here. You can't really see it because it's got like all the patterns on, but I can like feel it, and I just feel really nice in it. I love the neckline. I love the fact that these are adjustable, so if I wanted to give a bit more support, I could. You can like adjust it to your own body. And then the slit. So I just adjusted my camera down so you can actually see the bottom of it. So as you can see, it's got a nice kind of slit opening here that happens, you know, around the knee length actually, which is quite nice. But with a nice pair of heels on, it will just look so sweet, I think. And the length of it is really lovely. Like, it's not too long or short, So I really like that, and I just love the overall fit of it and the fabric. It's just beautiful. Like, I love the colourings of it, and I thought it might be a little bit busy, but I think it works. So I really like this one. I think it looks really sweet on. So, no, love this. The final piece I got is this red dress. Now, I'm not actually 100% sure on this one now it's come. It's a very different fabric to what I was expecting. I'll take it off the hanger so I can show you. It might be quite hard to see on camera, but it's a very stretchy but very sturdy fabric, and I'm a little bit worried it's going to crease really easily. Like, I don't know if you can see already, like, it has been hanging up for a while and the creases haven't dropped out. I know it arrived folded, but I'm a bit fussy like that. And then I'm not sure on the cup detailing. You can see they've stitched in cups. They'll either look really nice or they won't. I can't tell if I would prefer it kind of like, just like a tank dress kind of thing. But we'll see. It's quite long. I think the model was a bit taller than me when I looked at getting this one, so I think I gauged it a bit wrong because it looked like a lovely midi length on her, but maybe once the body's in it, it might be shorter, but we will see. So I got this in a size 8. It's lovely and stretchy, but let's see what it looks like on. This is how it fits, and I love the colour of it. I think it's such a nice bright kind of almost orangey red. It's really, really lovely. I think it fits really nice. You know, you don't have bucket back, so it's not baggy above my bum, which is a nice change. I'm not sure I'm a fan of the stitching here. I just think it's probably not the most necessary. Like, just this shaped neckline would be beautiful on a dress like this, because I really like how it kind of goes straight and then it has like a little dip there. I really like that because I really like square necklines, and this just is kind of a square one with a little, you know, a little bit more cleavage, which is always nice. But it's very long. It sits, you know, kind of just below my knee, so, and there's no slit in it. So luckily it is stretchy, but I would appreciate a kind of slit to help me walk, because I feel a bit like I'm having to walk like a penguin in order to rock it. But, you know, with a nice pair of heels, it's probably workable, but you have to like force past the stretch. And I would just worry that after a while the elastic might ping. But I mean, it's gorgeous. You know, I love the fit of it, I love the colour, but I would just be worried about falling over in it because there's no slit to help me. But yeah, if this is your kind of style, I mean, go for it, but a slit would be very welcomed in my opinion. But that's this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link everything down below if you'd like to check anything out, along with all my social media. I do have another channel, so if you have an interest in earth science or fossil side of things, check that out. I know fossils and fashion is a very strange combination, but that's me. So if you'd like to check that out, it'll be down below as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time.